While polling is currently underway in 6 constituencies spread across 4 northeastern states in phase 2 of the 9-phase Lok Sabha elections, our correspondent Rishika Barua sent us this report from Shillong.
As India goes to polls in the second phase of the 16th Lok Sabha, all eyes are firmly set on the northeast, as 7 key constituencies go to polls across 5 states in the northeast, and every seat expected to make a huge difference in the battle for 2014. Northeastern politics can alter the political landscape of India. The Northeast is a crucial test for BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi, who has promised the people here new highways and faster trains. He's also promised to take a tougher line on frontier issues, which is crucial for the people in this region. The fight for the Congress is to retain the Northeast as its stronghold. For years, the northeastern states have been the Congress party's bastion, and the Congress is fighting all out to retain its Northeast frontier. So what are the key issues that have found resonance with the people of the Northeast? Let's begin with the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Apart from good governance and better infrastructure, the issue of safety of students after the death of Nido Tanya in the capital city of New Delhi are some of the issues. Moving on to the state of Assam, which also voted in the first phase of the Lok Sabha elections. The issues of development, employment and infrastructure are also big concerns in the state of Assam, as is peace and stability in the region. In the state of Nagaland, people want an early political solution to the Naga problem. Insurgency and ethnic civil strife are some of the key issues concerning the people of the state. Moving on, over in the state of Meghalaya, socio-economic development, connectivity and law and order are some of the key issues. And lastly, in the state of Manipur, tackling insurgency and withdrawal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act remain top priorities on the voters' wish list. The Northeast has witnessed a flurry of political activity, with Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi dashing to the region to woo voters. Apart from the issue of development deficit and peace, there is a plethora of local issues that have dominated the politics of the Northeast that promises to play an important role in this era of coalition politics. With camera person Ankur Arora, this is Rishika Barua reporting from Shillong for Headlines Today.
Most exhaustive coverage of India's biggest election.
Preeti Chaudhary, South Delhi.
Headlines Today tracks the poll pulse, because your vote matters.